Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video. So आज के video में I'm going to be doing another get to know me tag. So I had done one of these tags I think 6 to 7 months back. तो काफी ज़्यादा time हो गया है. I think before we start the video, I would just like to share a realization that I had recently. I've realized that for me to have subscribers, quality content is good enough. But for me to have subscribers who are attached to me, they also need to know me as a person. They need to understand my personality. And how will I be able to let you know my personality or what I am or how I am and how I think is through these kind of get to know me tags and these kind of question answer sessions. So I think this is a lot of fun. I love watching such videos for sure, and I thought why not do another get to know me tag today. So I have 25 get to know me tag questions here on my tablet. I'll pop up a picture here of the list of questions, and I'm a little nervous also because I haven't seen the questions. I don't know how the questions look like, and I want this video to be very raw and very real, so I'm going to be doing very minimal editing in this video as well. So बहुत बड़ा intro हो गया. Now without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, subscribe कर देना and also enable the bell notification icon. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Now the first question, and I'm pretty nervous guys, I'm not even kidding. The first question is, what is the last thing you do before sleeping? Oh, this is a very simple question. The last thing I do is I watch some sort of a show on Netflix, or I check my WhatsApp, I check my email, I check my YouTube studio to see अगर मेरे subscribers बढ़े कि नहीं. That's what I actually do before I go to sleep. The second question is, how often do you use social media? So I would like to start right from the beginning. I joined Facebook when I was in the 10th standard. I know very weird time to join Facebook. तभी आप लोग बोर्ड्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे होते हो, बट क्या करें यार, हम लोग के क्लास 10 में ही वो वाला ट्रेंड आया था फेसबुक वाला. अभी तो क्लास 6 क्लास 5 के बच्चे भी फेसबुक पे होते हैं. एनीवे, नॉट डाइवर्टिंग फ्रॉम द टॉपिक. सो आई हैड जॉइन फेसबुक बैक इन 2010. Okay, so you can figure out my age also now. Anyway, can't help it. So when I had joined Facebook, I used to use it very rigorously. Of course, my board exams and everything were not hampered. I was very particular about my marks, my studies, my career. I still am. But I used to use Facebook a lot back then. Uske baad se, like currently, if I tell you, I do not use Facebook that much. I think it has got very monotonous. It has got very... I will not use the word boring. I mean, there are multiple ways in which you can use Facebook, but I think अभी हमारे particular generation के लिए 90 born kid के लिए उतना ज़्यादा कुछ बचा नहीं है Facebook में. That is what I personally feel. I think social media wise, Twitter is much better because it does sometimes circulate a lot of very important messages. So Twitter is good, and Instagram is something which I use the most these days, I feel, because Instagram has a lot of relatable feed. Following wise या फिर यूजेज वाइज अगर देखा जाए तो आई यूज इंस्टाग्राम द मोस्ट सोशल मीडिया में. एंड हाउ ऑफन डू आई यूज, आई मीन वैसे मैं कैलकुलेट तो नहीं करती हूँ, मैं हर दिन फेसबुक खोलती हूँ, बट आई डोंट स्पेंड टू मच टाइम ऑन इट. इफ यू वांट टू नो कि मैं सबसे ज्यादा टाइम किस सोशल मीडिया ऐप पे यूज करती हूँ, इट्स गोना बी इंस्टाग्राम. We'll swiftly move on to the third question. Which social media network is your favorite? I just answered that. Oh my god. So yeah, it's Instagram. Now the fourth question is, what is your biggest regret in life? Now this seems to be like a very personal attacking wala question. I never thought I'd talk about this with anybody anytime actually. So my biggest regret in life is that I think in my teens, yeah, in my 20s also, like I'm still in my 20s, but I have never been on a trip with my friends, like be it girls and boys mixed, be it only girls. I've never been on a trip. I've never been on a road trip to a beach or to a mountain area. या फ्लाइट से भी मैं कहीं पे भी नहीं गई हूँ दोस्तों के साथ. I've always been on trips with my family only. But of course you can't change your past. You can't do anything about it right now because जो time जाना था वो तो जा चुका है. For people who are watching me who are in this age group and who want to go out on such trips, you guys can definitely take such trips with your friends. But just be very careful. You want to go with the right kind of people. You want to be very careful about your security. your personal belongings, and you should always keep your parents informed at every stage. Always keep your phone charged, carry a power bank with you, carry a map of that place with you because the network might be down. So keep a lot of things in mind, but do enjoy that part of your life also. Like we've all seen Dil Chahta Hai, we've all seen ZNMD, and we know how the entire experience is, right, you guys? So I really feel like that is one thing जो मैं अपनी life में regret करती हूँ. Otherwise, I am just not a person who regrets anything. I generally don't regret any bad decision also. Like I never look back and think, "Arey yaar, I should have done that differently," or "I should not have done this." I think from everything that I've done in my life, there is something to learn. There is something to take back from all my experiences, and I don't sit and regret anything in life. But if you ask me one thing which I regret, it has to be this thing, that I didn't take any trip with my friends. I really hope a trip happens soon, but abhi covid aa gaya hai, so basically koi na koi problem aa hi jata hai. Now if you guys are sitting and overthinking, or you are like very excited to know कि मैं क्यों किसी trip पे नहीं गई with any friends, there are multiple reasons, multiple factors involved here. ऑफ कोर्स हमारे टाइम पे पेरेंट्स इतने ज़्यादा लीनियंट नहीं होते थे, एंड स्पेशली बीइंग अ गर्ल इट्स मच मोर डिफिकल्ट टू गेट परमिशंस फॉर एनीथिंग. लाइक फॉर एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू कीप कॉन्टैक्टिंग देम, यू हैव टू कीप इन्फॉर्मिंग देम, यू हैव टू लेट देम नो वेयर यू आर एट, with whom you are going somewhere. Everything has to be informed to them from time to time. वो तो अगर आप निकल गए तब, बट निकलना ही इतना डिफिकल्ट होता है गर्ल्स के लिए. आई एम श्योर ऑल माई लेडी व्यूअर्स विल बी अग्रीइंग विथ मी राइट नाउ. बट आई विल नॉट लाइक टू ब्लेम एनीबडी फॉर दैट. It's just that we never actually even took the initiative of going on a road trip, or on a trip for that matter. It's not like we had planned a trip and then मैं नहीं गई and बाकी लोग चले गए, या फिर we had planned a trip and मेरे parents की वजह से we couldn't go. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. So please don't overthink, you guys. It's just that we never ended up planning a trip only. तो जाएंगे कहाँ से? It's like that. So even the planning part of it, I think you guys who are in this age, you guys are very lucky, so utilize this time. But like I told you, have a checklist. You need to keep certain things in mind and don't go out of your way. Like if you are being allowed to go to a trip, don't go out of your way. Don't get indulged in illegal, illicit activities. Stay within your limits. That's very important. Like no matter how much of freedom life gifts you, there are certain lines that you can't cross. So वो आप याद रखो. उसके अलावा आप ट्रिप में जाओ, enjoy करो. There are so many places to see. Adventure पे जाना, ट्रिप पे जाना, it is important. It teaches also a lot of things to you. I mean, if you travel with people, if you travel to places, you get to know so many things about that person or that group or that place or the entire experience. It is so enriching. बहुत लंबा आंसर हो गया. I need to move to the next question. उसके पहले टॉप ठीक कर लेते हो. दिस इज सपोज टू बी एन ऑफ शोल्डर टॉप, जिसको ऑफ शोल्डर रहना नहीं है. ये पिक्यूलर वे में एक हाई नेक टॉप बन चुका है. सो आई विल जस्ट कम बैक इन अ जिफी. So we'll now quickly move on to the next question, which is your favorite decade and why. My favorite decade has to be from 2008 to 2018. I mean, so much has happened in that particular decade. Like I can't even start telling you. I think 2008 was when I was in the 8th standard, and that is the kind of time when we started having so much fun in school. दोस्तों के groups बने, नए चीजें हम लोग discuss करते थे. So basically that was the puberty वाला stage, right? So we were just growing up back then, and it was just so much fun back in school. Also, like everything happened. Like class 10 हो गया उस बीच, class 12 हो गया. I got admission into a law school. I did my law 5 years का course था वो. Then I got placed. I started with my career. I met my fiance. So I think all the good things happened in that particular decade. So I'm very fond of that decade, and that has to be my favorite decade. Next question is, what is your favorite childhood memory? It has to be the trips that we used to take to Delhi every summer. And so basically my mom is from Delhi, right? So my grandfather used to stay in Delhi, and we used to visit him every year for our summer vacation. I think that was really fun because वो एक महीना हम लोग घूमने जाते थे different areas में. And my grandfather used to teach me maths, and then we used to have so many seasonal fruits. So I think grandparents are just like another level of emotion, and people who have not stayed with their grandparents, so I know you guys are missing out on a lot, because I've been very lucky to have received a lot of grandparent love. So yeah, that's the best memory of my childhood. Next question is, how do you celebrate your birthday? Now, I am not the party kind of a girl. Like, I am not somebody who will just go out randomly with my friends and party all night and all of that. I don't do that. I am a very normal, chilled out person. And for me, celebrating a birthday would be celebrating with my loved ones, like my parents, my sister, my fiance, my friends, all of us together in one place. And yeah, just cutting a birthday cake, which has to be chocolate, by the way. And nowadays I just prefer dark chocolate. इससे ज़्यादा मीठा chocolate cake बिल्कुल नहीं खा सकते. I don't know what has happened to my taste buds. I used to be such a chocolate lover. अभी भी I am a lover, but I just restrict myself to dark chocolate for some reason. So yeah, that's that. Just cutting a cake, getting some cute, beautiful gifts, and yeah, that's about it. Very simple, yet so nice and so warm. Okay, next up is which color do you like the most? So I have two favorite colors primarily. One is pink and the second one is black, and also I like navy blue. So these are like my three favorite colors. The next question is, how will you describe your style? My style is a very unplanned, unpredictable, but very comfortable. I like my clothes to be not very body hugging and not very loose, so I like comfortable clothing, but I like to be within the trend also. I like to follow the trend. So yeah, that's about my style. Next question is, what is your favorite dress for parties? Now, I have been to New Year parties with my fiance, and I had attended a farewell party back at school. So my kind of clothing is definitely like a knee-length dress, like a nice dress, and yeah, I think nice pink or red lip, and I mean, very simple, very, very simple. Next up, what is the most uncomfortable item you own but you would take the pain because you love it? This is a very weird question. How can I love something which is uncomfortable? Okay, but I will just be answering this in one word or two words maybe. Wax strips. So जो wheat के wax strips है मेरे पास, I have to use them for my feet and hands because I wax my feet and hands at home only. मैं पैसे बचाती हूँ, and मैं जब वो use करती हूँ, it is excessively painful, but I keep using them. I can't throw them away. So I think that sufficiently answers this question. Next question is, what is the most comfortable item you own? I think currently, if you ask me, it has to be this cozy pillow that I got from Mini. So I got it off of Flipkart. And I showed this to you in a recent video where I talked to you guys about 5 products that I'm currently obsessed with. I'm going to be linking this pillow in the description box for you guys. It has to be the most comfortable, snuggly, soft pillow ever. Next question is, what is the weird clothes you have ever worn? I don't wear weird clothes, you guys. Like, I don't know how you will perceive this answer, but I'm very, very particular about the clothes that I wear. Like, I'm very particular. I'm quite finicky clothing wise, so my weird clothing, मुझे कुछ याद ही नहीं आ रहा है कि मैंने कुछ पहना होगा. Okay, where do you shop the most at? So I shop the most at definitely from Amazon and from Nykaa. So like all my beauty products, my cosmetics are from Nykaa, and everything else like home decor हो गया, kitchen के कुछ सामान हो गया, या any other thing which I generally in my day-to-day life, I buy from Amazon. What is the oldest item in your closet? Yes, I remember. I have this top. Okay, I don't know if I will be able to share a picture with you guys, but I have this top which my mom used to wear back in her younger days. That top I think my Nana ji had gifted to my mom, and उसका quality इतना अच्छा है कि like my mom used to wear it, my sister wore it, I wear it sometimes now, and अभी तक भी कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है उस top को. You guys can imagine the quality of that top. The next question is, do you own something you've never worn? What is it? Of course, I do have some new tops in my closet, in my wardrobe, which I have never worn, and I plan to wear them during some special occasion. But yes, I do have tops that I've purchased recently, but I've never worn them. Which fashion trend do you often prefer in the fall season? I think not just the fall season, but for any season in general. I really like crop tops or tank tops or like tight fitting tops ऊपर and नीचे flared trousers or flared pants. I think that is a kind of fashion which I have really been enjoying, be it any season. अगर winter हुआ, you can of course throw in a coat or a blazer ऊपर, and अगर summer हुआ, you can obviously dress it down and wear a cami instead of a top, and even a tank top is comfortable here. So I think you can just dress it up or dress it down, maybe add some accessories here and there. Love that fashion trend. Next is, at what age did you start wearing makeup? Again, a very good question. I started wearing makeup at the age of around 19 years. I think that is when I started wearing makeup, is when I went to college and I used to see all the girls around me and they would be in makeup, and मुझे तब तक makeup का कुछ भी नहीं आता था. Today also I'm learning, by the way. But 19 is the exact age when I started wearing makeup in college. Okay, next question is, what was the first beauty product you tried? The first beauty product I tried, I think it has to be a kajal, because school में रहते जब मैं friends के घर जाती थी या किसी mall में जाती थी तभी मैं काजल पहनती थी. So kajal has to be the first beauty product that I ever tried. Which season is your favorite and why? The answer is very simple. The answer is monsoon. I love monsoon. Monsoon makes everything green. The temperature drops, so the weather is very pleasant. Monsoon makes us feel very romantic and emotional from inside. You will love just listening to music during the monsoon. चाय पकोड़े के लिए आइडियल सीजन है. 5 रीजंस दे दिए, should suffice you guys. अरे बार बार मेरा ना टैबलेट लॉक हो जा रहा है, सो प्लीज एक्सक्यूज मी. एंड स्टॉप को देखो आप लोग, मैं इसको ठीक नहीं कर रही हूँ वापस. एनीवे, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट एक्सेसरी? माय फेवरेट एक्सेसरी हैज टू बी लाइक अ गुड नेक पीस. I am not a earring person. Like, I do wear studs, but I don't like wearing jhumkas. I don't know why, but they don't suit my face. I think because I have a very small face. But otherwise, accessories mein I really love experimenting with neck pieces. What's your biggest challenge as a wardrobe stylist? But ये question आया कहाँ से? Maybe this get to know me tag was for only a stylist. That is why all these kind of style questions are coming in. Guys, I'm skipping this question because I am not a wardrobe stylist, so I will not be able to answer this question. What are your must-have apps for blogging? Okay. Now this question makes sense to me. Okay, so I use for video editing, I use UCut, InShot, KineMaster, I think that's how you pronounce it. And for thumbnail, I use PicsArt. And to keep checking my YouTube stats, I need YouTube Studio. So I think those 5 apps are the most important apps that I keep using. Next question is, what would you tell your 13-year-old self? Oh my god. That's also a very nice question. So to my 13-year-old self, I would just say that you are growing up to be all fine. You're growing up to be an independent working woman who is accomplishing her dreams. Like every single day, थोड़ा मैं step ले रही हूँ towards my dreams. So I will just ask my 13-year-old self to be a little confident, because I remember back when I was a teenager, I was not very confident. I used to be this thin. तो शायद मैं अपनी 13-year-old self को ये भी बोलूँगी कि थोड़ा खाना खा लो, for Christ's sake, थोड़ा सा खाना खा लो. That's what I would probably say. Okay, next question is, which quote inspires you? There are so many quotes that inspire me, but I think one quote which always stays with me is, practice what you preach. If you preach something, if you mean something for others, make sure that you practice that yourself as well. Otherwise, you'll be the biggest hypocrite in this world. Because अगर आप सिर्फ दूसरों से चीजें expect करोगे लेकिन खुद कुछ नहीं करोगे, then that makes absolutely no sense. So practice what you preach is one quote which always stays with me. Outro के पहले top में वापस ठीक करना चाहूँगी. So guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it, and I had done a get to know me tag earlier as well, like I told you, and there's also an intro video, also this or that tag, very interesting tags, and my intro video will be linked in the description box for you guys in case you guys want to check them out. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care, loads and loads of love, you guys. Bye bye.